Oh snap. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well today. This week I decided to introduce a new twist to the craft kit testing series here. So I am going to be testing the Crayon Melter from Crayola, but instead of just showing you how it works and giving kind of a review and a demo and my first impressions, I'm also going to be designing some custom canvas shoes. These actually are just $5.87 from Walmart. Keeping it cheap, but honestly these are really cute and I would wear these plain. So let's see what this product is all about. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. So in addition to the Crayon Melter, this kit also comes with a docking stand for the Crayon Melter, a transformer, which that's what it says, but you know, a power cord, 8 really colorful crayons, these are super pretty, but naked. This really nifty tool so you can declothe the labeled crayons, and it also scrapes wax. And 3 sheets of paper so you can practice and make some cute things, featuring squiggly lines and a couple cute animals. I've discovered that there's kind of a learning curve to this label cutter, otherwise I just really stink.
The heck? It's like not working. Oh!
That has to be it, actually. There's a little groove in the very middle of this. You have to make sure that it's positioned at the exact right angle and that you push down really, really hard. Okay. Oh, I think I got it. I rock at this, actually. Once you master the label peeler, it is time to break the wax into little tiny pieces. A little goes a long way, according to the guide. Just like that. Oh snap. I'm canceled. Step 3, go ahead and take this little piece of wax and slide that on into the top of the crayon melter, the flaps in the cap. Slide that into the flaps. I'm done. Not that much though. Now have an adult attach the power cord to the melter. I don't see any adults here. Those of you who are 18 or older, do you ever just kind of forget that you're an adult? Like, what is life? Then plug the adapter into an outlet. I need an extension cord because this cord is not long enough. When you first plug it in, the light's going to be red, but once it's ready, it'll turn green. While you're waiting, you can set it in the stand like that. How wonderful. I'm gonna let that heat up. Before we get on to decorating the shoes, I am going to test this on paper, wood, cardboard, and canvas. Oh, wow, that was quick. I do not trust that that is hot enough yet, but we'll see, I guess. The moment of truth. Hold it. Oh, whoa, 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 hold on. Oh. I'm a klutz. I'm a klutz, yeah. Hold it straight with the tip on the page and go. Whoa! Whoa! That's a lot of wax that just came out at once. Wow, you have to really have some finesse here because that just oozed out. I did better on the second dot. Let me just recreate that one for you by pushing down too hard. Oh, now it's not coming out. Oh, there we go. It's a little bit difficult. So, just a little bit of wax. That was not, oh, that was a little bit. Cool. It actually is really smooth. Oh, that got a little shaky. Pacific Blue is really, really dark. I'm going to add a tiny bit of this neon pink that came with the kit to try and get a different color. I wanted less than that. Okay, oh, that's not happening. Come on. Ow. Oh man, that hurt. This probably is not recommended, but there we go. Yeah. Okay, go. There. So we'll let that melt a little bit. This is actually really smooth on the page and it's staying on until you bend it. Then it flakes right off. I'm disappointed, I thought it would mix. There it goes. No? What? Oh, it's getting clogged. Getting clogged. No, don't clog. Maybe it'll shift on the canvas. Oh, this is doing terrible on here. So cardboard it is. Oh, this is even worse. Where is the pink? What the heck are you? There it is. Oh, it's so pretty. We're gonna try this on the wood. Whoa. Cool. I have a feeling that decorating these shoes with the crayon melter is going to be a lot more difficult than I had anticipated. The colors don't seem to mix like I thought they would, at least not for long periods of time. Where did the wax cannot be all gone yet? Really? Maybe it is. Like a little more. Bring on the shoes. Now you're bored? And here we go. I see nothing. I see blank. I see... Oh, got a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna try and make these very similar. So what I do to one, I'm gonna do to the other. I don't know how this is even gonna look. Like, kind of like a pinky purple in the front. Ooh, I should tape these, but I'm kind of lazy. And I feel like the wax is just gonna flake right off of the rubber, so we're good. forgot that this is actually a piece of toilet paper. I'm sorry for this visual. I got this crayon maker from Michael's with a 50% off coupon, and it was still $18 after the coupon. So it was originally $36. I recommend if you don't have a coupon to actually get it from Walmart or somewhere else, because I don't want you guys to waste your money and pay full price. I saw MARKO melt crayons onto canvas shoes, and he has a whole channel dedicated to customizing white shoes, basically. He's pretty awesome, so check him out.
Hold on, Leo.
And they're done! Honestly, not quite my aesthetic. They're a little bit lumpy and I don't know. I just really like my Sharpie tie-dye shoes a lot better than these. Basically, I wanted to incorporate this crayon melter and like let you guys know if it would work on shoes. I guess I'll answer your question with the wear test, which will have to happen tomorrow because the sun has already set and you guys won't be able to see me outside. So Leo wants me to feed him dinner. Same though. Hold on, Leo. He's so loud.
Leo, what do you think? What do you think of them?
Let's click our heels together 3 times. All in all, I do really like this product, but I would recommend it more for paper or canvas or anything else but these shoes. I mean, they look kind of cool, but not very practical. The wax that really sticks up is not going to stay on there. It's already peeling off if you try. Oh no, it like completely came off in that part. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. 3 sheets of look for someone adult here in the room when you need help with something.